Hello everyone. Welcome back for another Anything Goes Saturday. I am using the Unity calendar, advent calendar I got, and I have done 5 days worth of ideas. Today is day 6, so I'm going to use it for my Anything Goes Saturday. All right, so I'm going to open this up and see what I have. A birthday cake. Oh my goodness. Yesterday was the happy birthday present. Today is the birthday cake. I'm seeing a theme here where you can combine them. All right, I'm going to pull out my supplies and we'll make this one. Okay, I went back to my not too shabby Make-A-Wish to pull for my pattern paper this time. And I've chosen these 2 pieces. This one says happy birthday, and then I loved the cakes on that. I thought I'd make a feminine card. I have paper that matches for my layers. That's for my image. I have the paper for my image. I have my card base. I'm going to stamp it in the, ooh, that is cut crooked. I got to fix that. In the gray flannel again. I have a marker that matches. I have some silver thread and some silver gems. Let me trim this side up. Okay, much better. It must have slipped on me. All right. That's on tight. Let me stamp this. I'm trying to stamp it straight. There we go. I thought it would be facing the other direction. Oh well. All right, now I'm going to color my candles with my marker. I'm going to color my flowers. I think I'll color the doily. Can't use that end. I got to use the other end. I need to get some color on here. There. They have a yellow going around it, but I think I'm going to use pink in the middle, just for some interest. And I'm gonna go with here and here. And there it's done. Set that there. Let's add these to the pieces of, it's the background, the layer. All right. And I'm gonna do that there. Now I'm going to pull out my card. This one's going to be a quick and easy idea. Okay. Now, I'm going to take these. There. Sometimes when I use that here it goes. When I use this on the, oh, I'm getting towards the end. That's why it's doing this. I was like, why is it acting up? But I'm almost out. All right. Now this piece goes on the side. That's upside down. There. All right. So I'm going to put it there. And then this is going to go across like so, but I need another piece behind it. So let me get a scrap. Because if not, it's going to bend down. I'm going to cut it that way. There. And now I have to add some more tape. All right, there we go. Like so. This is going to go on here. Do I have enough? Yep. All right, and now I need dimensionals. I'm running out of those too. I've ordered more, thank heavens. All right, now. I don't want that one there. I want it at the top. And you'll see why in a minute. Because I'm going to put it right about there. So I'm going to put tape here at the very edge. Did I get any? No. All right, I'm going to have to use glue. I'm out, and I'm not going to take time to change it. I'll do it later. There. All right. Let me take the backs off. All right. There we go. Now let's get some gems out. Ooh. I pulled out the backing, but not the gems. Okay, let's do a line. I think those are the same size. I'm going to go with one large and two small. There's that. And let me make a bow and see if it'll work before I cut it off. I'm going to make it a tiny bow. Oh, I think it will. Right about there. I can go a little smaller. All right, now. All right, now I need a glue dot. Okay. Right there. I'm going to put that down in the middle and press down. And take it off, and then I'm folding the glue dot back on itself. All right. And there's the next idea. Have a great day. Bye.